Yo, what's up, man? Welcome to the Life of Mr. 4040 show, man. Look, y'all already know what to do. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. And y'all already know what I want y'all to do. Stay tuned.
Trapping out my 18, will look going ham. Make it 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 band. Let these niggas know, see a nigga been a man. You ain't gotta say a dope, well just to be the man. Trapping out my 18, will look going ham. Make it 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 band. Let these niggas know, see a nigga been a man. You ain't gotta say a dope, well just to be the man.
Welcome back. Look, we're finna install a lock and loaded motorcycle lock system. That's what we're working with right here. Lock and load motorcycle transport system. There it go right there. Yeah. Gonna put it in this trailer. So can we get everything together? Got some little hooks. Go on the side. So y'all already know. Let us get to work. And y'all just stay tuned. Yeah, you good? Got one hole drill. Where the other hole coming in at?
Huh?
Where the other hole, you might be on that metal piece. Where you at?
About 6 inches down.
Let me see.
Huh?
I think you're on the metal piece. I don't see you coming through the floor.
I ain't drilled yet.
Oh, okay.
You ready?
Yeah, come on. All right. All right. Perfect. All right. All right, we're putting the bolts in now. Already got the plate down. Bolts on. Yep, gonna get the job done. Stay tuned. Alrighty, just like that. Got the 4 bolts tightened up. So the plate is on the floor. Now all we gotta do is put the rack in, put the bolts in, and shoot the other tie downs in. And we'll have this thing installed in no time, baby. Yeah, hey, you want something done right? Do it yourself. Drop them bolts in there and lock them in. Put them tie downs on. She should be good to go. To install that at the back. Put them tie downs in the floor. Should be ready to hit the road. Oh yeah, should be going nowhere. All right, we got it made, baby. We got it in there. Putting that roll up right there. They're gonna raise the bike up, lock the bike in. And she good and strapped down. All right, we're finna pull a bike in here so we can see where to put the back hooks at. My uncle got his bike, so we're finna let him roll his bike on up in here. And we're gonna let it roll into the rack. There go the rack. There you come on with that old bike right there. Come over, gotta come over. Go back, come over. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. All right, right there. Just like that. All right. Yeah. All right, that's pretty much it. Got the straps for the back. The rack for the front. Good to go. Good to go. Y'all already know what to do, man. This is gonna wrap it up for this episode. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the share button. And make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend. Motorcycle will be coming in the next 3 weeks. So y'all stay tuned for the reveal. I'm gonna reveal it on my YouTube channel. We gotta go down to Thunder Beach, down in Florida, for my reveal. So look, y'all stay tuned for that. You know we live, baby. This is the life from Mr. 4040.
Drop it off, drop it off. Got the low, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. State to state, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. Back it up, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. Yeah, 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 drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. Got the low, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. State to state, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. Back it up, yeah, drop it off. Drop it off, drop it off. Yeah, 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 drop it off. We go get the low.